Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Prisma with Next.js to build data-driven UI, full guide step-by-step clearly. To get started, ensure you have Node.js installed on your machine. Open your terminal and create a new Next.js application by running the command npx create next app your app name. Navigate into your project directory using cd your app name. Once inside the project, install Prisma by running npm install Prisma savedev. Next, initialize Prisma in your project by executing npx Prisma init. This command will create a new folder named Prisma and a schema.prisma file. Open the schema.prisma file in your code editor. Define your database connection in the file, starting with the data source block. Specify your database provider, for example, PostgreSQL, MySQL, or SQLite. Use the provided connection string format to connect to your database. Next, define your data models based on your application needs. For example, you can create a user model with fields like ID, name, and email. After defining your models, save your changes. Run npx prisma migrate devname init to create the initial migration. This command will synchronize your database schema with the defined models. Next, install the Prisma client by running npm install at prisma/client. In your Next.js application, create a new file called prisma.ts inside the lib directory. In prisma.ts, import Prisma client from at prisma/client. Instantiate Prisma client in this file. Export the instantiated Prisma client so you can use it throughout your application. Now, import the Prisma client into your API routes or pages where you need to interact with your database. For example, in a new API route, import the Prisma client and create an instance. You can now use Prisma client methods to fetch or manipulate data. For instance, you might create a function to retrieve all users from the database. Then, use this function in your API handler to send the data as a JSON response. Test your API route by running your Next.js application with npm run dev and navigating to the appropriate endpoint. At this point, you have successfully integrated Prisma with your Next.js application. You can now explore more advanced features like data relations, pagination, and filtering. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.